How can I unclog my drain if it is gurgling?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to unclog a drain that is gurgling. If you've ever experienced this annoying issue, don't worry, because I've got some helpful tips for you. So, let's dive right in.
Identifying the problem.
Before we get into the solution, it's important to understand why your drain is gurgling in the first place. The gurgling sound usually indicates that there is a blockage or obstruction in your drain system. This blockage can cause air to get trapped in the pipes, resulting in the gurgling noise when water drains.
Check for simple solutions.
The first step in unclogging a gurgling drain is to check for any simple solutions. Start by removing the drain cover and inspecting the area. Often, you may find hair, soap scum, or other debris that can be easily removed by hand or with the help of a pair of pliers.
Use a plunger.
If the simple solutions didn't work, it's time to bring out the trusty plunger. Place the plunger over the drain and make sure it forms a tight seal. Push and pull the plunger vigorously to create suction and pressure that can dislodge the blockage. Repeat this process several times and then run water to check if the gurgling has stopped.
Try a drain snake or wire hanger.
If the plunger didn't do the trick, you can try using a drain snake or a wire hanger. Insert the drain snake or straightened wire hanger into the drain and gently push it through, rotating it if necessary. This can help break up and remove any stubborn clogs that the plunger couldn't handle. Once you feel resistance or hit the clog, carefully pull the snake or hanger back out.
Homemade drain cleaner.
If the previous methods haven't solved the issue, you can try using a homemade drain cleaner. Mix equal parts of baking soda and vinegar and pour it down the drain. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the mixture to fizz and break down the clog. Finally, flush the drain with hot water to clear away any remaining debris.
Seek professional help.
If all else fails, it might be time to call a professional plumber. They have the expertise and tools to tackle even the most stubborn drain clogs. A professional plumber will be able to diagnose the problem accurately and provide the necessary solutions to get your drain flowing smoothly again. And there you have it. Now you know how to unclog a gurgling drain. Remember, start by checking for simple solutions, use a plunger or a drain snake, try a homemade drain cleaner, and if all else fails, don't hesitate to call a professional plumber. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy unclogging!